everyone, welcome back to Studio HN. I wanted to come on here today to show you the new release for this week. As you might know, I've done a couple of videos before. This year we've decided to kind of go through some of our original designs and update them a little bit, offer them in more options. And this week we are doing the circle ring. So for a little while now, we've had the circle ring available in a thin and a thick and a twist version. But over the years, we've had a lot of requests from you all to have it made in a smooth finish as opposed to the hammered finish that we usually use. And so for this week, we're finally releasing the circle ring in all of the thicknesses in a smooth finish. So I'm wearing the thick smooth circle ring on my index finger and the new thin smooth on my middle finger. And I'll show you some close-ups of these too, so you can see it a little bit better. So, okay, here's a close-up. And at the base of my fingers, I'm wearing the thick smooth circle ring. So this is sterling silver on my index finger and rose gold fill on my middle finger. And then right above, I'm wearing the thin version. So you can kind of see a comparison between the thick and the thin in these two metals. And just for another comparison, on my index finger right here is the hammered version. So we've had this ring available in a hammered finish for quite a few years now. And here right next to it is that same thickness in the smooth finish. So these are both approximately 1.5 millimeters thick. As you can see, the hammering process does widen it out just a smidge, so it does look a little bit thicker, but this is the same metal thickness in both a smooth and a hammered finish. And also don't forget that we do have a smooth extra thick circle ring. This one has always been in a smooth finish. Personally, I love it. I think it looks so elegant. So just for comparison, here's this extra thick circle ring, the thick right here on the bottom of my middle finger, and then the thin on my knuckle there. So these are the three thicknesses we have available in the smooth finish. So here are just a few. So these are all the smooth new options and a few of the ones we've had before of the circle ring. And we will be doing a blog post about these new styles too. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely do that. Also, if you don't follow us on social media, we'll be featuring a ton of comparisons of all the various styles over the coming days and weeks. So check those out too. And as I mentioned before, making these in a smooth finish was actually something that we've been getting requests for quite a little bit. And we have actually made these in a smooth finish for customers before as a special request. So that said, if there's something you want to see that we make and you want to see it in a different finish or a different variation, always feel free to contact us because we'll often be able to do it for you. Or it also just helps us kind of know what people are looking for. So as I think about redesigning some things, offering more variations, expanding the jewelry line, I just love to know kind of what you guys want to see. Thanks so much for watching our video. I hope you guys found it helpful to kind of see these rings up close. We will put all the links to these new rings down below in the description box. And yeah. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.